back to my channel, friends, and my name is Ginny May, the Intergalactic Supreme Goddess of Guest Service, and today I'd like to talk about one of the last impressions, and that's bringing down the bill or the check. When you bring down the bill or the check, first of all, of course, you're going to print it out, but you have a couple different options right there, and one of them is that you can end up writing on the front of the bill or on the blank spot on the back. Maybe there might be some commercials in the back, but maybe you can find a little blank space somewhere on the bill to write a little thank you, maybe thank you in your name. If you're a girl, you can put a smiley face. If you're a boy, don't put a smiley face because research shows that your tip will actually go down. But your tip will go up if you do put another thank you. Maybe you had a little conversation before at the table and they mentioned they were going to go to the movies, or they mentioned they're going to go to the theater. Then you could end up writing, thank you so much, enjoy your theater experience, or thank you so much, I hope you have a great time at the movies. I hope to see you again next time. Or I really love serving you today. Or maybe happy birthday, happy anniversary, or whatever they were celebrating there. It's so nice to just put a little note somewhere on the actual receipt so that when they are looking through the receipt, they see your note, and that's an extra little personal thing from you. And of course, one of our goals at the table is to make the service as personal as possible. The next thing is, if you have a little piece of candy or a treat that you can also set with a bill, research shows that that also will increase your tip and the experience that the guest has had. So it was a win-win. The next one is to remember to always say thank you when you come down with that bill. And some people think, hey, I'm saying thank you, it's too early. But you know what? We cannot say thank you to the guests enough. If these people were not here, we would not be able to get paid for our job. So we cannot say thank you enough. And when you bring down the bill, we should say thank you. When you process the bill with your credit card machine or however you do it, thank you again. And when you bring down the change or you're finished with the transaction, it's another heartfelt thank you. When we are processing the bill, it really needs to go quickly. Think about last time you were in the restaurant and you wanted to pay the check. Of course, you're ready and your mindset is ready, like, let's get out of here. So it needs to go within about 2 minutes or under. And if something happens within that 2 minutes, let's say your cash drawer breaks, some electronic or computer challenge ends up coming in and you cannot process that bill within 2 minutes, you need to go back down to the guest and apologize for the wait and let them know that you're going as quickly as you can so that they can go on their way. Remember that processing the bill is a very important part of the guest's experience in your restaurant, making it fast, making it personal, and always remembering to give as many thank yous as possible is going to make a lasting impression that will always keep your guests wanting to come back next time. I'm Ginny May, the Intergalactic Supreme Goddess of Guest Service. And if you like this video and other tips and tricks, then click here for another video, or otherwise, please subscribe, press the subscribe button, ring the bell so that you get a notification when I come out with a new video every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye. And today I want to talk about the lasting